Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Splitwise application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Splitwise and start your search. Once you find the Splitwise application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Splitwise application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button you can tap on it to open up the application. And once you open up the app, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or log into an existing one in order to start using the Splitwise application on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Splitwise application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.